Hey guys, welcome back to another Meekfro video. You are watching youtube.com/Meekfro. And today, as you saw by the title, we are talking about invoicing as an influencer. As an influencer, you will pretty much invoice any brands or companies that you're working with. These brands and companies are considered a client, meaning you are providing a specific brand or company with your services. Today, we are pretty much making an invoice and pretty much talking about the components of an invoice. What should be on your invoice? You guys already know that I do use canva.com or the Canva app. Either one. I prefer the website, as you guys know. I am making my invoice on Canva. Now, there are plenty other ways to make an invoice from websites like paypal.com. There are some other ones like QuickBooks. If you have an account with them, they can help you create an invoice. All you have to do is go in and fill out their little template and they send it out right away. PayPal is pretty much one of my favorite ways of sending an invoice. But if you really want a more custom invoice, an invoice that kind of, you know, matches the flow and the aesthetics of your brand, why not make your own on canva.com or Canva app? So let's head over to my laptop. Let's get set up there and we are going to make an invoice on canva.com. So let's get started. Hey guys, so today we are on canva.com. We're just going to put in the search box invoice because, you know, on canva.com you can design anything for free with a free account. But if you be Canva Pro, you can do more. Ooh. Okay, so on the invoice section, they have plenty of templates you could choose from. Just looking for one that kind of, you know, catches my eye, that kind of sparks my creativity, you know, something that I could kind of manipulate to my liking. I found this one here. I clicked use this template and I'm just pretty much here just switching everything out. You know how the game go if you've been watching my videos. And you remember that logo, that watermark we made on the last video? Yes, I am sticking that on my invoice. It's already there waiting for me. You know, every design you ever make is saved onto your Canva app. So yeah. And here you just want to pretty much, that's where you're going to put descriptions. All of this is based off of what your client is asking you to perform, what services they need out of the services you provide. So, of course, this is going to change throughout the clients you do have. This will change. So, just, you know, be sure to kind of make a note as to what goes where. So, we already know the item description is going to go there, the quantity, the price, and then your payment methods here. Just making a section for that. Well, it was already there, but I'm kind of manipulating it now. Adding little logos and stuff, the PayPal logo. All of these logos, majority of them, come on Canva already. You just type them in. Some of them are free, some of them are not. So I choose the free ones, but the logos that they don't have, I go on Google and find the logo there. Either the transparent version. If I can't find the transparent one, I just use the one with the white background and place it on there. Boom. And then here you just want to put your address, your phone number, your email, that whole thing of yours, not the client's. This is your information here. It has to be on this invoice somewhere. And then, of course, you want to leave them a cute little thank you note of some sort. Gratitude is power, okay? You want to let people know that you are grateful for working with them. So, you know, they'll want to work with you again. Your client information needs to go on here. That is the brand that you are working with. So you want to put their company name or whatever name they're wanting on the invoice, street address, email, phone number, whatever is accessible. If they don't want to provide that information, you know, put what you can on the invoice because, you know, an invoice is pretty much a receipt for the both of you. And you want to make sure the term and conditions are on an invoice. You want to lay out your rules concerning payment or whatever. So yeah, once you're done with everything, you guys, you do want to download this to your computer as a PDF file. And I'm just showing you here that it did save to the design section on your Canva account. So how neat. So you're gonna wanna go back to this each time you have a client and switch out the information. I'm gonna show you on my phone here. We're on my iPhone right now at this point in time, showing you guys that the design did switch over. See, when you have the Canva app, that same design you just made on your computer, canva.com, it will show up on your app as well. So when you're on the go and you need to switch out the invoice for a client, switch out the information for a new client and send it off, this is it. You can do it from your phone as well or your laptop. So you're gonna always want to do that for a new client. Switch out your information. And do not forget to change the invoice number at the top of the invoice. You want to change that each time you have a new client, okay? So you can keep good records of, you know, how many invoices you have in total. Be sure to save as PDF before sending to client. I hope you guys absolutely enjoyed that video. So just to kind of recap on what we talked about while we were inside of the laptop. So pretty much your invoice needs to have your company name or your name, whatever name you're going by, your address, your email, your phone number, a due date, the date the invoice was issued to the client, the client's information, an invoice number to kind of help you keep your records together and keep tally of how many collaborations you've done within a year, or how many transactions you have. You're gonna need that for tax purposes and things of that sort. And so will your client. So that helps them as well. So invoice number, the client's information, their address if accessible, their phone number, their email. You're gonna want a description of the services you've provided, and you wanna have the quantity of each service, prices beside that, and then an ultimate total going towards the bottom. You're gonna wanna include your term and conditions. Also, a cute little thank you note towards the end. You want to always express gratitude towards your clients. And of course, you want to include your payment methods, maybe your logo if you choose to. Invoice is normally sent to the brand you're working with after the services have been complete. Now, there has been instances where brands were like wanting the invoice up front. Mainly because the representative, whoever is over the marketing department, they pretty much need to get prices and stuff verified by either someone higher up from them in the company, you know, that type of thing. So just keep that in mind as well. It's just really all up to you. You guys have to come to a common ground with the payment. Yeah, some brands will come out and say, we pay you after the services. They'll be quick to tell you that from the beginning, before you guys even get started. They'll say, hey, we'll pay you after the video is up or anything like that. So most of the time you will just send your invoice after your services are done. But yeah, guys, I think I covered everything. If I have not, I will cover it in the next, I will cover it in part 4, because this is part 3 of the kind of an influencer 101 series that I have going on my channel. So if you have not checked out the rest of the videos, part 1, part 2, you're gonna want to check those out. The links will be in the description box or in the corner of the screen. Do check those out for me, please. If you have not, thumbs up this video. I'm gonna need you to do so. Thumbs up now. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know when videos like these are being uploaded. Okay? Okay. Thanks guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah? Yeah. Bye.